Hi, I went to a lifetime collectible sale. There was so much stuff you wouldn't believe. Milk glass and baskets and jewelry and oh my goodness, it was just overwhelming. It was at a VFW hall and it was just overwhelming. But the only thing that I found, sometimes you just have to be in the mood. And the only thing I found was this, and I thought it was pretty cool. So for $5. Greg Typing. It shows you how to type, use a typewriter. Let's see here. It even has the guy's name in here, but I don't know. Let's see, what's the date on here? I didn't even really look at this. But I thought this was kind of cool because, I don't know if it shows the edition, I don't know, but I'm not going to look for it now. But anyway, how cool is this with the different types? And that's the reason why I wanted it, as you can see, is because you can just go ahead and just cut out specific words, which I thought was pretty nice. And, this is just, look at here how they show, they show how the corrections. But anyway, this is the book, and I got this, and this for $5. Ah, heavy. I got it for $5. Woohoo! So, let me put a piece of paper in here real fast. So, it wasn't too hard for me to try to repair it and kind of clean it up, and I thought it was kind of funny. And for, like I say, I got this and the book for $5, and there were two ribbons, and I thought, well, that's nice. It's only gonna cost me $5, but then I'm gonna have to go on eBay and spend $30–40 on ribbons. But it turns out that the two ribbons that it came with, one did not fit, but this one did, and guess what? This one works. So there you go. The ribbons work. I still have to I cleaned it up the best I could. Let's see if you can see. It types pretty good. Everything really works. And if you go like this, let me go like that. It actually has the little bell. There you go. So it does work, and there's the type. And like I say, for $5, not bad. And I'm cleaning it, and I thought, wow, such a good deal, such a good deal. And I look, and the number 1 key is gone. But for $5, who cares? So I won't use the number 1. I can use every other number but number 1. But it still works, and it's in very good condition. It did have the bottom a part of the case, but it wasn't in very good condition, so I thought, I really don't need it, So anyway, this is my Corona Typewriter, and I think this might be from the 30s, maybe? I'm not really sure. But for $5, and I can go ahead and, do whatever with it, so I had to share that with you too. So, let me see here. Let's hurry up and do this, and let's see how good I can do this. If I put it in straight, yep, and I think you can see that.